Hi everybody, this is Trees. Hope everybody's having a great day or had a great day today. For this video, it's about time I do this video, and it's a beauty tribute to Hopper and Eleven. And after all, it's Father's Day month. So let's get started this tutorial. You know the drill. Every time I do any Stranger Things themed makeup tutorials, I use every single not every single I use all Stranger Things themed makeup products, and so I'm gonna copy this eye look to over here. No primer. If any makeup left on my face, it's just like I was using the L'Oreal infallible powder foundation, concealer, um, anything else. Maybe if my eyelids look pink, maybe I still have my multi stick from Ilia left over on my eyelids or cheeks, whatever. Again, let's get started. So I was swatching things on my fingertips to see what they will look like on the skin, and so what I noticed, I might as well put some similar colors, in my opinion, mix them together and put them on my crease. Transitional color. Um, I noticed I end up using this 217 brush from MAC with the Hawkins High, pencil look to it. The handle of this, brush. Okay. So I'm trying to find all my single palette that I used. Shockingly enough, I'm very shocked still. Um, I'm just shocked that for the first time, when it comes to characters like especially 11, I'm not going to use the class of 1986 palette, which is a first. I can't think of a place that, well, maybe it's, that's not true. They were in Starcourt Mall. That's true. That's very true. Starcourt Mall, huh? I'm not sure if I should use that then. Um, I'm gonna go with my instinct. I'm gonna, I know that Starcourt Mall. Yeah. I can't think of anything. Okay, let's just let's go on with it. Let's see. So what I did was I just mixed uh 11 from the ColourPop times Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. I took this fluffy blending brush from Essence Beauty from Essence, and I mixed 11 Chief Police. Anything else? No, that's about it. From the Max the Void eyeshadow palette, the Void, I dipped it in there. Anything else? And I think that's all I can think of. So I'm just gonna go like this. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm not sure. Yeah, see, it's like barely shown in this camera, in this ring light. Oh, now I can see it. I can see it. Yeah, fudge it. I'm gonna put a little bit of that Starcourt Starcourt Mom. Why the heck not? Um, Benny's Burger. What the hell? Also, I'll just put on the crease. It's kind of hard, so I don't know. Okay. Benny's Burger and Starcourt Mall are from class of 1986 eyeshadow palette. Okay. All right. All of them are in the uh my transitional shade, my crease. All right. Okay, that's that as far as the class of 1986, and that's that with that Essence brush. Moving on. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take Max 217 brush. I'm gonna take dip into wait a minute, hold on. Just trying to, yeah, I'll just use this one. Okay, this 217 Mac 217 brush. I'm gonna dip Demogorgon from ColourPop times Stranger Things palette. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dip this into Demogorgon again, ColourPop times Stranger Things. I'm gonna put in the outer corner, kind of like an outer V kind of thing. So I'm gonna go like this, and then trying to remember how to do this one. Okay, it's coming along fine. Yeah, I kind of had a hard time with it, but whatever, judging by all these like colors, even though some of them are different colors like pink, lavender, or whatever, or beige, I just they're like the shade medium light shade or something like that. So I use them all in my crease instead. Okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's fine. Okay. I think that's that. The next one. Oh, I'm gonna take this flat shader brush from Wet n Wild. I'm gonna dip this flat shader brush into the Upside Down from ColourPop times Stranger Things. Um, you know what? When I compared me using this brush versus my fingertip, I'm just gonna go from my fingertip. What? Why the heck not? And I'm just gonna put in the lid because it's more pigmented versus the brush. Not so pigmented if I use the brush. It's a little patchy. It's okay. I'm just gonna pat it as light as I can. One more time. Yeah, that will have to do. Just gonna wipe this dirty finger on my color switch sponge. Okay, that's that. One more almost. I'm gonna take, I'm trying to think what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna take this pencil brush, whatever pencil brush you have, whatever, or eyeliner brush. I will dip Demogorgon from ColourPop times Stranger Things. I'm gonna dip this pencil brush 3/4 outer of the outer lash line, 3/4 of this Demogorgon outer lash line. There you go. Oh, okay, it's okay. And this time I'm going to use this pencil brush again. This time I'm going to use the Upside Down from the same palette, the ColourPop times Stranger Things palette. I'm going to use it in my 1/4 inner line. Yeah, kind of soft. Yeah, it's like a creamy texture. Pat a little light, just a little bit more. Okay. Yeah, that should be... Oh, well, one more thing. I'm gonna take this fluffy eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna dip it into 11 from the Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. I feel like dipping in 11, and then I'm also gonna dip Waffle Thief as well from ColourPop times Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. I'm trying not to. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on the... There you go. Brow bone, and then I'm gonna... I put 11 on one side and Waffle Thief on the other side, so they're not gonna contaminate when I grab the shadow with my brush. So this is gonna be my brow bone. Okay. So that's my eye look that I came up with. Okay, and then I used Max Hawkins, not Hawkins, Max's Friends Don't Lie blush. It's a bubblegum pink, like this. I put it toward the brow. I mean, like the cheekbones, and I sweep it across the bridge of my nose, and like this. Okay, and Trailer Resistance, the finishing touch. It's Max Ariel lip glass, and this is what it looks like. There you have it. My Hopper and 11 inspired makeup tutorial. Okay, whenever my next video is, peace out and good night.